Hey, the bears are back and we're at home. We got something a little bit different for you today, haven't we?
We have indeed.
So, we were here yesterday, setting in to knock at the door.
There was.
And something special's been delivered.
Hey.
So, we've had a little special delivery from YouTube itself.
I know.
So, thank you, YouTube, for sending us this. We're going to unpackage it, we're going to see what they've sent us. What a surprise. Whoop, whoop. Right, so we got our package, haven't we?
Yeah.
I know, it's all exciting, isn't it?
So exciting.
Shall we see what they've sent us?
Yeah.
Come on, then. Oh, look at that. You going to give it a go?
Yeah. So there was only 1,000 of these available.
1,000 available?
Yes.
Is that it?
Yeah.
And we were the lucky ones who got one, weren't we?
Yeah, they were. There was only a select few content creators that they obviously sent this to, so.
Very exciting. And you did have to be part of the YouTube partner program to get one of these guys?
Yeah, I believe so.
Right, you ready, Ev?
Oh,
wow, look at this.
This is so cool. So the High Five reward scheme, that's what you're talking about,
That
wasn't
is
it?
part of the reward scheme. High five from YouTube.
So, lights, camera, glow. You managed to get your hands on a limited edition YouTube Neon. A special thank you from your friends at YouTube for brightening the world with your creativity. We'd love to see your sign in action. Tag us at YouTube, #YouTube High Five, so we can check it out.
Oh, wow. YouTube will give you a tag, eh? You can have a look at this.
That's amazing.
Oh.
Oh my gosh, look at that.
Oh, wow, Ev, look at
Oh,
that.
it's so cute.
This is ace, isn't it?
Yeah.
Thank you so much, YouTube, for sending us this.
Honestly, this is absolutely amazing.
Look at that, guys. Oh, wow. UK plug, that's where we are, isn't it?
Yeah, there's some information there with the model number and stuff.
Oh. Are we going to say this is our own plaque?
Yes, we
I think this is as
definitely
far
are.
as we say this is our own YouTube plaque, isn't
Yeah,
it? I think
that's
that's
what
fair
I'm
to
gonna
say. We might never get one, so we're going to take it. Thank
Yeah.
you to everyone who's helped us to get where we are.
Thank you.
Here we go, Ev. Go on, can you do it? Oh.
So there's some bits and pieces there, just in case you want to have a look.
Indoor use only.
Yeah. Working temperature, -20 degrees. I think we should
Oh,
be
we'll be
okay.
all right like in the UK.
Have
fun. Ooh. You ready, Ev?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Let's go.
Oh,
wow.
Look at that. That is crazy.
That is amazing. Look at that, Ev.
Oh.
Where'd you even start with that?
No, what? Oh my goodness. So there's this little,
Booklet.
yeah. Oh my gosh, really good quality actually.
Oh,
Like
wow.
really good.
I mean, it's our YouTube red plaque, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
For getting 1,000 subscribers. On the road to 2,000, so make sure that you do like and subscribe. Thank you.
Do.
But yeah, look at this,
Oh,
guys. Oh,
this
that's
is
big.
quite-
That's big, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. And then it just slots in like that.
Oh, wow.
How cute is that?
That is ace, isn't it, that? Wow, look at that, guys. Right, should we get it turned on and have a look? Ooh, look at that, Ev. It's on, isn't it?
How
Oh,
cute
wow,
is
look at that, guys. It's our very own neon sign.
Yeah, it looks absolutely amazing. I'm so chuffed with that.
Our very own YouTube plaque, Ev.
Oh,
Well done.
well
Thank
done.
you, YouTube. Thank you, everyone who's helped us and subscribed and liked.
Yeah, definitely.
Wow.
Honestly, thank you so much.
That is absolutely amazing.
Of course, we'll pop it on the back wall with all our other cool stuff.
Yeah.
Which you'll see some new additions.
Yeah, there's a few additions. Can you spot any of them there quickly, guys? Have a look. Ooh. But no, absolutely amazing. I'm so chuffed with that.
Yeah, me too. Thank you so much, YouTube. Like, we really, really appreciate it. It's so cool.
That is amazing. Woo! Well, so that was absolutely ace, wasn't it?
It
Thank
was.
you so much to YouTube. Thank you to everyone who's liked and supported the channel and got us this far.
I know, it was absolutely amazing. And the best thing is, we've got 2 more treats from them too.
Yeah, we have, aren't we?
We do.
Make sure you get signed up to the High Five rewards from YouTube.
Yeah,
And if you are a YouTube partner, it's just something that we've seen that's popped up on our notifications and emails, so have a look.
Definitely.
check out. There might be more stuff coming soon, but wow, thank you so much, YouTube. That means so much to us. It might be the only plaque we ever get, but you know what? We'll take it.
Definitely.
We got our own plan. Thank you so much, guys. See you soon.